Welcome to the first section of the ADM CRM learning module. In this, we will touch upon the aeronautical decision-making model steps, very basic ones, the needed communication between crew members for the operation at hand, and we'll touch upon task management. The aeronautical decision-making process addresses all aspects of decision-making, whether it is in a solo or crew member environment. Aeronautical decision-making, or ADM, identifies 6 steps involved in good decision-making. Identifying personal attitudes that are hazardous to safe flight, learning behavior modification techniques for yourself and your crew, learning how to recognize and cope with stress, learning how to develop risk assessment skills, using all available resources with more than one crew member. This is the essence of crew resource management. And the last one, evaluating the effectiveness of oneself's aeronautical decision-making skills. Prior to flight, the entire crew for the operation needs to work out a method of communication, and if more than one exists, evaluate which method is most appropriate for the operation. Task management includes understanding the complexity of an operation. It means understanding the crew members and what they've been tasked to do and to do it safely. It means ensuring that no one on the team becomes overloaded or overworked. Remember that once a member of the team becomes overworked or overloaded, there's a greater possibility of an incident or accident.